ready to overcome offer. And then the comeback feeling for Alexander after the performance in the game against Dwarf. He's on the bench today.
There we go. Game underway. Asante Kotoko. Beautiful searching pass looking for Joseph Esso. Now here is Esso, chops it beautifully. Sends the cross in. Kwame Ba. He was alert, but this header from Bamie nearly caught ball
there to find Esso. Esso picked up a decent cross into the near post. A free gambled for it, but just couldn't get a clean contact to trouble the goalkeeper. Great start by Hatzefok.
Here is Hatzefok and Saboche. This can be dangerous. Hatzefok, Joseph Esso. It's a goal kick. The Phobians are on fire.
Listen, he absolutely knows it. He knows that it's a huge chance. And you can see from his reaction. But that was a lovely cutback there. And Esso latching onto that.
This can be dangerous. It's a goal. Justice play. Kotoko up by 1-0.
And I just mentioned it. Now take a look at the movement. What a ball. What a ball that was. What a ball that was. And then it's 1-0 for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Brilliant header there by Justin Blake. Goalkeeper had absolutely no chance. And out of...
Here is Kotoko's Mudasiru making inroads into Asante territory. Mudasiru! What a miss! Great performance from Mudasiru.
Keeper there was wonderful skill to beat his man. A lovely drive.
Assess delivery. That header.
It was a good ball in.
And Saboche's delivery. Kwame Ba fails to grab first time. Good defending from Navigator. An unusual customer in enough to block it. As the ball comes in there, Kwame Ba steps off his line. I thought he could have fisted it here. Missed it completely. But Navigator here again. And that is what Manaf offers. That's it. Referee Shen whistles for the end of the first half here at the Accra Sports Stadium. So there we go, Kotoko. Free kick taken. Oh! On the roof of the goalpost. That was tricky and dicey from Augustine Okra.
Yeah, and Rich.
Maybe Manaf. Even Manaf is on the bench. Yeah. Kwame Ba nearly fumbled, but Kotoko weathered the storm. Done that for a cross into the box. Nectar with another pass. Kofi Koji. That is some good defending.
Throws himself to make sure he's getting something on that clearance. That was beautiful defending there.
But deep into Kotoko's territory. Joseph Esso! The Phobians have equalized.
As the ball comes in there, nobody really dealing with it well. It takes a deflection, and it's an awkward deflection. They headed onto the crossbar by Esso on the rebound, headed it into an empty net in there. And the Phobians are leveled in Accra through Joseph Esso. What an incredible, what a lovely whip on the ball. Was aiming for the far corner there, but goalkeeper was struggling to get back into position in there. Unfortunately for Okra there, the ball didn't dip quite in time to find the bottom of the net. But
here is Matthew Enim Kujo. Oh, lovely skill from Enim Kujo. What a save from attack. Good save from goalkeeper Richard Attack.
Koshi was going to separate him into the corner, but he beats him and picks out a delightful ball to Chafee, who heads it back across the face of goal. But Richard Arthur with an acrobatic save to keep the scoreline 1-1. But what about that for a skill? And what about that for a header? And what about that for a save? Beautiful stuff here. Incredible.
Good move. Bernard Arthur up against Wahab Adams. Bernard Arthur sends the cross in. Kwame Ba. Did he cross the line?
That is a cross coming in. Kwame Ba was almost beaten on his line, but absolutely no way. No way.
No.
That is no goal. Just see it again, Nana. Yeah. So Matthew Kujo hits it. It was a feeble shot though. That is it.
There's a penalty.
He gets the block. He gets in the block, but outstretched.
Referee whistles. Keita. It's a goal. Naby Keita has put Kotoko.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko from winning this game. As Naby Keita confidently walked onto that ball. The run onto it was confident and it dispatched it beautifully. Goalkeeper Atta had absolutely no